you're experiencing issues with Roblox voice chat, calibrating your settings can help resolve them. Follow these steps to ensure your voice chat is properly set up. Step 1. Access Roblox settings. Open Roblox and click on the gear icon in the upper right corner to access the settings menu. Navigate to the Privacy tab to check your voice chat settings. Step 2. Enable voice chat. Ensure that the voice chat feature is enabled. If it is not, toggle the setting to allow voice chat. You may need to verify your age if prompted. Step 3. Check microphone permissions. Go to your device's settings and ensure that Roblox has permission to access your microphone. This is crucial for voice chat to function properly. Step 4. Adjust audio settings. In the Roblox settings menu, navigate to the Audio tab. Here, you can adjust the input and output volume levels to ensure that your microphone and speakers are set correctly. Step 5. Test your microphone. After adjusting the settings, return to the game and test your microphone. Use the voice chat feature to confirm that your voice is being transmitted clearly to other players. By following these steps, you should be able to calibrate and fix any issues with Roblox voice chat. If problems persist, consider checking for updates or reinstalling the application.